Honey orange leg of lamb on the Green Mountain Prime. This is how we did it. Patti did a nice seasoning with Chef of the Future's ginger orange pepper seasoning. Nice coat all the way around. Onto the hot grill grates at 400 degrees. You can see we have a water pan going, got a wedgie in the back, garlic skillet going, and have our Maverick all set up. We're good to go. 400 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. Looking good. We're looking for an internal temperature around 125, which would be rare for lamb, and we are just about ready to bring it in. You should smell this. The roasting lamb, the aromas of the orange and the ginger and the pepper, the garlic skillet going on the side. This is going to be good. Let it rest for 5 minutes or so. You'd be ready to cut a little slice of heaven. So tender with a nice bark on it. Smells so good. Just can't wait to get this on a plate. Look at this, all the juices flowing. If you like lamb, you'll enjoy this. All the flavors from the ginger and the garlic and the orange. Oh my goodness.